Austin-Bergstrom International Airport. Austin-Bergstrom International Airport, AUS, is the gateway to Austin, Texas, and the surrounding regions. Renowned for its unique blend of efficiency and Texan hospitality, AUS is more than just a travel hub. It reflects Austin's vibrant culture and rapid growth. Austin-Bergstrom International Airport officially opened its doors on May 23, 1999. The airport was constructed on the former Bergstrom Air Force Base site, closed in 1993. This location choice allowed the city to repurpose existing infrastructure, accelerating the development process and providing a spacious area for expansion. AUS covers approximately 4,242 acres, making it a medium-sized airport by American standards. It features two parallel runways. Runway 17R 35L, which is 12,250 feet long. Runway 17L 35R, which is 9,000 feet long. These runways accommodate various aircraft, from small private planes to large commercial jets, supporting multiple domestic and international flights. The Barbara Jordan Terminal, named after the renowned Texas Congresswoman, spans 760,000 square feet and houses 34 gates. The terminal is designed to reflect the unique culture of Austin, featuring local art, live music performances, and a range of dining options showcasing the city's culinary diversity. In response to the rapid growth of Austin and increased passenger traffic, AUS has undergone several expansions and modernization projects. A significant milestone was the 2019 completion of a 9-gate expansion to the Barbara Jordan Terminal, increasing the airport's capacity and enhancing the passenger experience. Plans for further expansion are underway, including constructing a new midfield concourse, additional parking facilities, and improvements to the airport's roadways and transportation infrastructure. These developments aim to accommodate the projected increase in passenger numbers and ensure the airport remains a vital asset to the region. Austin-Bergstrom International Airport has seen significant growth in passenger numbers over the years. In 2022, AUS handled approximately 21 million passengers, a record high for the airport. This marked a substantial increase from previous years and highlighted the airport's role in accommodating Austin's burgeoning population and thriving tourism sector. The increase in passenger traffic can be attributed to several factors. 1. Austin's population growth. Austin has been one of the fastest-growing cities in the United States, attracting new residents and businesses. This population boom has naturally led to more air travel. 2. Tourism and events. Austin's reputation as the live music capital of the world, coupled with significant events like South by Southwest, SXSW, and the Austin City Limits, ACL Music Festival, draws tourists from around the globe. 3. Business travel. The city's burgeoning tech industry, with companies like Apple, Google, and Tesla establishing significant operations in the area, has increased the volume of business travel. 4. Expanded flight options. AUS has continually added new domestic and international routes, offering more travel options and attracting more passengers. One of the standout features of Austin-Bergstrom International Airport is its commitment to providing a taste of Austin's renowned culinary scene. The airport's dining options reflect the city's diverse and vibrant food culture, offering travelers an authentic Austin experience before leaving the terminal. The Salt Lick BBQ. A legendary Texas barbecue joint, the Salt Lick offers travelers a chance to savor classic smoked meats and sides. Known for its mouth-watering brisket, ribs, and sausage, this local favorite brings the flavors of Texas barbecue to the airport. Taco Deli. This Austin-based taqueria is famous for its fresh and flavorful tacos. Taco Deli serves a variety of breakfast and lunch tacos made with locally sourced ingredients and bold, unique flavors that capture the spirit of Austin's food scene. Amy's Ice Creams. A beloved Austin institution, Amy's Ice Creams provides a sweet treat for travelers. Known for its creative flavors and fun atmosphere, Amy's is the perfect stop for a scoop of handmade ice cream. Fly Right Chicken. Specializing in all-natural chicken sandwiches and tenders, Fly Right Chicken offers a healthier, yet equally delicious fast food option. This local chain is committed to quality ingredients and sustainable practices, Peached tortilla, a fusion of Southern comfort food and Asian flavors. Peached tortilla brings a unique dining experience to AUS. Known for its eclectic menu and inventive dishes, it's a great place to enjoy a meal with a twist. Hut's Hamburgers. For those craving a classic American burger, Hut's Hamburgers offers a range of options, from traditional cheeseburgers to creative specialty burgers, all made with high-quality ingredients. Juiceland, offering fresh juices, smoothies, and healthy snacks. Juiceland is a go-to spot for health-conscious travelers. This local favorite emphasizes fresh plant-based ingredients and energizing blends. While Austin-Bergstrom International Airport plays a significant role in Texas, it differs in scale and function from other major airports in the state. Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport, DFW. Size: spanning nearly 27,000 acres, DFW is one of the largest airports in the world. Facilities: it has 5 terminals with 182 gates, significantly larger than AUS. Traffic: DFW is a central hub for American Airlines and one of the busiest airports globally, handling over 75 million passengers annually. George Bush Intercontinental Airport, IAH, in Houston. Size: it covers approximately 10,000 acres. Facilities: it contains 5 terminals and 161 gates. Traffic: IAH is a hub for United Airlines and handles around 45 million passengers annually, offering a wide range of international flights. William P. Hobby Airport, HOU, in Houston. Size: it is smaller than IAH, covering about 1,304 acres. Facilities: it houses 1 terminal with 25 gates. Traffic: it primarily serves domestic flights, focusing on Southwest Airlines, handling around 14 million passengers annually. San Antonio International Airport, SAT. Size: it covers approximately 2,600 acres. Facilities: it contains 2 terminals with 24 gates. Traffic: it serves around 10 million passengers annually, primarily focusing on domestic travel. While smaller than DFW and IAH, Austin-Bergstrom International Airport is experiencing rapid growth that aligns with the city's expansion. Its focus on cultural integration, live music, and local cuisine sets it apart, reflecting Austin's unique identity. Austin-Bergstrom International Airport plays a crucial role in the local and regional economy. It supports thousands of jobs, both directly and indirectly, and contributes significantly to the area's economic development. The airport facilitates tourism, business travel, and cargo transport, essential to Austin's continued growth and prosperity. AUS is committed to environmental stewardship and sustainability. The airport has implemented various green initiatives such as energy-efficient lighting, water conservation measures, and a robust recycling program. The airport's carbon management plan also aims to reduce its carbon footprint through sustainable practices and innovative technologies. Austin-Bergstrom International Airport is more than a transportation hub. It is a dynamic and evolving part of Austin's landscape. From its historical roots as a military base to its current status as a bustling international airport, AUS reflects the spirit of Austin: innovative, welcoming, and ever-growing. With ongoing expansions and a commitment to sustainability, Austin-Bergstrom International Airport is poised to meet the needs of travelers for years to come. Its unique characteristics and cultural integration distinguish it from other major Texas airports, highlighting its importance in the state's aviation network.